Did you miss me? I missed you guys. My face is ashy. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna put lotion on. Today is family day. We're gonna go take the kids to the park. They don't know. We're gonna take them to the park. Okay, come in. My husband and Tristan is gonna go take the kids to Weeby Poppin' to get some ice cream. And we're gonna run to Staples to do a quick errand. Oh, Mason, I'm sorry. Mason, because all my kids got the N's at the end. But Mason wants to say hi to you guys. Say hi. Say hi. YouTube. Say hi. Okay, so we'll see you guys later. Say bye. Okay, guys, so I am back. I wanted to share with you guys the fragrances of the day. So, my lotion.
Stop it, Mason.
From Bath & Body. This smells so good, you guys. It smells so good. And you know, I paired it with Daisy, Marc Jacobs.
Mom, can I say hi?
Chef's kiss. Peyton wants to say hi, so I'm going to grab my shoes and let her speak.
Hi, guys. I believe this is my first time on the video.
Get up out of here.
Want to say hi? Say hi, baby.
He said hey already. You guys go get y'all some. It smells so good. But we're kind of rushing. We still have to pack bags and fill up bottles and stuff. So we will see you guys in 2 minutes. So I'm following my husband to take one of the cars to get maintenance. He just left me. Yeah, I don't even care for candy like that anymore, but the pretzel M&Ms, no. The pretzel M&Ms. I needed to get out the house too. Because we've been in the house like for the past few days. There's nothing like some good vitamin D from the Lord. Amen. I caught up with him. That was nothing but God.
How you like them?
Keeping the scene because
The lemonade sour
to come to the hood to get the car fixed. But the hoods be having the best spots to fix your car and everything. My husband looks so fine. He got his haircut. He look good without his haircut too, but he just something about that beard and that haircut just. Anyway, he's about to get in, so. And then we'll be headed to, y'all already know, our spot. So we had to stop and wait. You guys, it's so beautiful out. We are going across the Hutchinson Water. Whoa. Feels so good. I love nature. Imagine that would be beautiful, right?
What?
If that was a mansion.
They got some that big.
Yeah.
They got some that big.
From Florida.
Is the best one.
Florida water. So we're here, the park.
baby.
Okay, hey babe. He handsome. He's married. He love his kisses. Let me get my buddy because he acting up. Say hey.
Hey y'all.
Say hey.
Hello. Let me stop. Let me keep. No.
Alright. Let me get our stuff out the car and then I will get back with you guys. Y'all, he loves his strolling. He swear he driving. Mason! Mason! Hey! Hey, man! Y'all, my baby Bib always turn backwards. Like he wearing the cape, right? Superman. Get a little exercise in. You know. He picked up Peyton and Tristan's friend so he can go and burn himself out. Husband behind me.
Huh?
Supposed to take the runway and hop through the gate. Jumbo.
Why would you go below?
You want to go get on the swing with Daddy? Mason. You see the kids. It's shaped like a big boat. But the kids are gone, so they just left. Mason, let's go.
I want to push this wall.
Mason, you want to get on the swing?
You want to get on the wall?
Oh, I'm one of them parents too, y'all, where I play with the kids. Like, I'm gonna run the park, swing down, swing, all that. Slide down the slides, everything. I'm that parent. I just love, like, having fun, bringing out my inner child, you know, with the kids.
Start it out real quick. No. Let's get on this again.
Smiling.
Hey, wait for us.
He's smiling!
This way. This time we can sit. You go sit this way. Alright. Sit this way. Peyton.
My shoe came off. Go ahead. Look at them. They're going to play basketball. Then, ask first. I forgot to bring my baby ball, so they're going to ask if they can use the extra ball that's laying around. Yucky! Bring y'all some water when y'all go to the park, because the kids about to sweat me out. God is so good. He's so gracious. So they're playing with the ball. They were scared to ask, but they're playing with the ball. Look, see the man playing with Tristan? Huh? Oh yeah, okay. This is the baby park for Mason. We're over here by ourselves, Mason. I cannot drive the stroller, y'all.
You can't drink it.
Don't drink and drive.
Can't vlog and drive.
I can't vlog and drive. Oh. So beautiful, man. Thank you so much, Jesus, for my children. So beautiful. Aww.
Too slow.
Aww.
Too slow.
Here you go. You want to go fast? You gonna go fast? You want? They going fast. They want to go fast.
That was Wait, they too low. They too low. Let's see if I can do halfway. Wait. This the
But you gotta hold yourself up.
ready.
She got this.
It's my hands, they sweaty.
Go.
My hands are sweating.
Do 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 do.
Okay, he's showing out, y'all. I ain't no sore loser or nothing, but y'all, my hands keep sweating. You can see like the blisters in my hands.
No, wait. First, I'm gonna go. Never mind. I want to. Oh God, ow!
No, not the kids outdoing me, y'all.
Come on. You got it. Come on. Come on. You got it. Come on. Y'all got it. Come on.
Tristan,
Okay.
not the. No, not the kids outdoing me.
You did it.
A great time. My crew behind me. That was fun. I wasn't finna let them kids out and do me on them handlebars, please. My husband ain't even help me. That was me. That was all me. I did that on string. You feel me? Have some, well, we gotta go get the other car. And then I'm gonna treat the family to our favorite ice cream spot. Y'all, if y'all ever come to Florida, look up We Be Poppin', cause they be poppin', don't stop it. You know what I'm saying?
We're going straight to
Straight to We Be Poppin'. No, but for real, the ice cream is pretty good. So good. I'm talking about
they give you a whole bunch of it.
affordable price.
You could get like, they'll give you like 5 big scoops of ice cream on your cone. Even if you like, they'll give, if you ask for 2 scoops, they'll give you like 2 big ones, like to where your ice cream is gonna start melting.
Period. For real, they do. It's really good. Say hey, JCon. Hey, YouTube family. Then I got my 2 crew members back there taking their precious time. Hello. Yeah, but today was a great day. We got some vitamin D.
You had to get out of the house.
Get out the house, get into some nature. This is our favorite part that we take the kids to. And normally I come out here and do some painting, which I'll probably do in another episode. But yeah, let's get cooled off in the car and we will see you guys at We Be Poppin'.
All right. Ready? Okay. Ready? set, go.
That was good. That was good. Y'all almost tripped, and I was gonna lay right there in the grass. I was gonna lay right there in the grass. That was good though. I feel good. I let him win. He got that. He got that. I was on them heels, but that's okay. He said, "Why I'm telling my fans that?" No, that was good though. That felt really good. Like, it feels good out here, y'all. Feels good, but yeah, we'll see y'all at We Be Poppin'. They do. We are about to grab some We Be Poppin', y'all. Ice cream, We Be Poppin'. Yes. Oh wow. Hello. What flavors y'all getting?
I don't know.
Stick with my cookies and cream, of course. Okay. Make sure you eat. Okay? Okay. My husband probably will get the butter pecan. Mason, you want to share cookies and cream with me? Huh? Okay, go ahead. Cookies and cream. Yeah.
They got birthday cake.
This is my ice cream. This is a kid size, you guys.
That cannot
It's a
be no
kid.
kid size.
What did you get, Peyton?
I got birthday cake.
She has birthday cake. He has the same as me, cookies and cream. My husband, he may get
That cannot be
buttercream.
no king size. No kid size.
He's
That's like
gonna
a
get
kid.
cookies
That's
and
a king size.
Look at Mason. Oh my gosh.
We did.
So we made it back home. We had a long day today. We got ice cream, we had family day, went to the park. I'm about to walk, check the mailbox, because I have a package coming. I'm so excited for my business. I got the kids pizza tonight and wings. I'm trying to burn them out tonight so that I can relax and sip some sparkling wine with my husband and just be booed up. Hey, I wanted to show you guys what we do as a family. We love nature. I just love making the kids smile. Like, the simple things make my kids so happy. They don't ask for much. They're not materialistic or nothing. They just like to be outside and just enjoy simple life, you know? So I hope you guys liked the video I did today with me and my family. Subscribe to my channel. You'll see more, you know, us being us and just living life, not doing the most, you know? So I will see you guys next time. God bless you. I love you guys. Be safe. Talk to you soon.